Shree Learning and Rhymes.
Let's learn subtraction. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5.